We do offer different programs. They're kind of tracks into agriculture. Really the big nuance to that is helping students try and find what they're most interested in as they come in and what they're most passionate about. With all of our programs, we create a lot of flexibility. We really want to create avenues for students to be able to explore and end up meeting their goals at the end of their 2 years and still getting them out of here in 2 years.
We're trying to give the workforce, the next generation workforce, all the skills that they need to be successful. We try our very hardest in all of our classes to make sure that at least 50% of what they do is hands-on of some sort. Internship is very integral in what we do. In fact, so much that a student has 4 internship opportunities. We give them those chances and those experiences just because we realize the experience solidifies the education.
There are 12 faculty here. We all do have different backgrounds, even some from different states. Probably the neatest thing with the faculty is all of us, in some way, shape, or form, are still involved within the agricultural industry.
We're kind of their home away from home, allowing them to feel comfortable here, and we try to help them as much as we can.
We understand learning comes in many different forms. And we understand there's just as much learning in the conversation they have before and after class, and so we've always strived to have students here as much as possible. They learn a lot from each other and their experiences with it. We always have a real-world approach to everything we're teaching. We're actually going to go in the field. We are going to make soil samples. We do submit those to a lab. You will get the results, and you will make the fertility recommendation for the school farm.
The school honestly has been the best part. Here it is a lot of hands-on, and what you learn is in class, which my experience, how most people learn.
Going to school here, you make so many connections. They have lots of industry sponsors come here. You have lots of opportunity to get jobs anywhere.
Smaller community, more affordable, more hands-on, and felt like there would be less people than a 4-year.
You get to know a lot of people, especially around the state, and know about each other's operations and pick up some ideas from other people and what you can take back to your own farm.
Everyone has such different backgrounds, and I'm not the only student who doesn't come from a farm. They've found that they have a love for agriculture. Having that knowledge about what's going on around you is priceless.
We get out on operations, we see these students, we visit them while they're working, we learn all about them, we see them every day. We are one big family.
Any of the instructors here are willing to put time towards any questions you have. They'd love to tell you about it because they really just want to see people get involved in agriculture.